Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to the Weekly FX Navigator, a podcast hosted on Standard Chartered Money Insights. I'm DJ Cheong, an investment strategist at Standard Chartered Bank, and I'm here to help guide you through the latest trends and drivers in FX markets. In this episode of the Weekly FX Navigator, we will talk about the dollar's recent corrective rebound and why we still like the Canadian dollar. Over the weekend, the dollar, as measured by the DXY index, fell after mixed US jobs data, where we saw upbeat payrolls but slightly higher unemployment. We believe this may be explained by long dollar positioning heading into the jobs data release. So we've talked about why the shorter term 1 to 3 month outlook for the dollar is slightly challenging given uncertainty around the trajectory of US inflation and Fed tapering. With the US on holiday yesterday, the next catalyst to watch for will be the release of FOMC minutes, which could see the dollar move in either direction if there is a broadly dovish or hawkish undertone that catches markets off guard. Moving on to the next topic, where we explain why we still like the Canadian dollar. And like the Australian and New Zealand dollar, the Canadian dollar is very much part of the commodity-linked FX complex, with crude oil being one of the nation's top exports. With resilient commodity prices over the past few months, the Canadian dollar has gotten a boost from its terms of trade. The currency should also benefit from a more hawkish Bank of Canada, which will likely be one of the first few central banks to tighten policy. So the upcoming Canadian jobs report could be key ahead of the Bank of Canada policy meeting on 14 July. On technicals, a break below 122.40 may trigger another attempt to test 120 support. A move below that could pave the way for a renewed push towards 115 in the medium term. That is all the time we have today for this episode. If you would like to access our publications, head over to sc.com and look for the latest Market Insights tab. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your week.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.